Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a fitness/gym bodybuilding Shopify store with Doba Dropshipping. Best part about this is you're never going to have to pay for any inventory upfront whatsoever. And it's all about dropshipping. What exactly is dropshipping? Well, it's the best business model on the internet today. You get to sell hundreds of different products like fitness products, electronics, clothing, home goods, beauty, tons more as well. Just an infinite amount of drop shipping products, and you never have to pay for it up front. You never have to touch the inventory. You never have to worry about warehousing or shipping logistics. It's really such an incredibly powerful business model, and there's zero upfront costs. And my personal favorite part, you never have to deal with shipping. Right? Literally, you just have to deal with making the sale. That's why drop shipping is so powerful. And, the old way to do it would be working with a wholesale provider and, paying up front for some minimum order. You have to buy like 1,000 pieces or 500 minimum or whatever. And then you'd have to store them all somewhere and then ship them. It's just a ton of work and a ton of risk. But we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do it with Shopify and with our dropship supplier, Doba. And Doba has existing products, a huge amount of them. I'll show you the website. And we'll be able to add those products into our store. And just like any other product in any store, customers will be able to come over and order those products and, of course, pay for those products, which kind of brings us to the best part about this business. Customers are going to pay you for products that you don't even have yet, you haven't paid for, you haven't ordered up front, they're not in a warehouse or anything like that. And when they do make the order, Doba is going to automatically ship that product to the customer, package it up all nice, and provide the tracking number. It couldn't be any easier. This all happens automatically with the Doba app. And how to do dropshipping the right way? Well, you use the Doba Dropshipping app. You could get it for Shopify. You see the link right over there. And the Doba Dropshipping app literally has every single thing that you need to crush it with dropshipping. Simple 4-step process. Step number 1, install the Doba Dropshipping app. Again, you see that link directly below this video. Once you're inside the app, and I'll show you exactly how to do this in a few seconds, you're going to go and search for products in your niche. Step 3, you're going to choose winning products for your store. You could see all these different information and stats and margin and location, a lot of US-based products as well on Doba. You could choose the winning products for your store. Step 4, literally add them to your store, your Shopify store, for example, in just one click. Couldn't be any easier, and we're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you exactly how to do this. We'll go step by step, and I'll show you how to build a store with some really great products really quickly, really easily, with no money upfront required. You'll never touch a product. Let's take a look. You could sign up over here at doba.com, get this great 14-day free trial, and you see the link directly below this video. Once you sign up for Doba, you'll be able to log into your account and get into the catalog. And here it is. And again, you'll be able to take a look at all these different things, different categories, and highly recommend taking a look at the TikTok shop selections and the Temu selections. You always find some really hot products there. Also the high profit products, really cool if you want to sell some higher ticket ones. But what we're going to do is just kind of jump right in. We want to find some products for, let's say, gym or fitness or bodybuilding. And all you need to do is search for keywords. And really, really easy. You see some categories as well that are going to be relevant, especially the sports and the outdoor category and sometimes the beauty and health. But all you need to do is just make different searches, and really couldn't be any easier. You could sort by most relevant. You could sort by inventory count. You could sort by high to low. You could even sort by things like bestseller, most listed, most downloaded. Really cool to do that. And I'm going to show you, just kind of browse for a little bit, especially when you're just getting started with Doba. You want to browse and take a look through their big inventory, and all these products are available to be added into your store. And let's say you're looking, you say, I really like this shoulder adjustable brace, or you like this massage balance ball. You say, I'm going to add to inventory list. And we can come over here and create a new tag if we want. We'll call it gym. And you just simply click confirm. And it adds this product to the inventory list. We'll get back to the inventory list in a little bit, but basically this is where we start to go and select those winning products that we want to start to prepare to add to our store. Because once a product is in the inventory list, we could one-click list it into our store. And really the idea here is that we want to look at all these products, say, okay, this one looks good. I'm going to add it into my gym inventory list. And I want to sell these dumbbells, so I'm going to click and add to my inventory list. And could do different searches. You could look at different categories. You could really do whatever you want in terms of just browsing the catalog, because all these products, again, one click able to go. And you see that we could also do different searches or different filtering over here, looking for new arrivals or looking for ones that are on sale, or even products with video, especially if you want to use some of these videos for your ads. You're able to literally find it right here. You know exactly what you want to do. You just simply click add to inventory list, and we could add it right there. So really easy to filter down and find winners, find great videos, and these will all be available for your product pages and your marketing when you add these products into your store. So simply just go over here. I'll do just another, how about just fitness as kind of just a different search, and we could even do any of those specific ones. I like these yoga bands, so we'll add this over here. And you could think, okay, I'm going to have an entire section of my store just on yoga, right? So you could have fitness, yoga, bodybuilding. All these products are one click available from Doba. So the really cool part is, browsing the catalog, getting all these. But once you've created, kind of an inventory list, right? We'll come over and view the list. And these are all products. We see different tags, of course, but these are all products that are going to be available to now list to store. And as soon as you download the Doba app and sign up, you'll connect your Shopify store. It's basically just installing the app, really easy. And then you can go and simply click on the products you want to add to your store. And you want to have a kind of a really crazy difference in pricing. Look at this. We have a $1,500 product here, and we have a $10 product here. So really, you can go all over the place. Maybe we want to start a higher end brand, and we're going to say, okay, we're going to go with some expensive products. And we select those over here, and we click List to Store. And you see it has my Shopify store already connected. This is literally going to happen automatically when you install the app when you sign up. So here we go. We're going to list these to our store. And this is the coolest part. Literally, when we want to click or add products to our store, we don't need to go to Shopify and click Add Product. We don't need to right-click Save these images. We don't need to copy and paste. We're going to do it all right on this page. And in fact, I'm going to let AI do it as well. We're going to use the AI Optimizer to create the product title over here. And I'll go with this one. Do the same thing over here. Let AI create the product title over here for this adjustable dumbbell that I'm going to sell. And we'll call it that one. Okay, now we have description. All this information pulled automatically from the Doba catalog, right? So all this information is available with each product. They're all going to have their own description. So really powerful there. You don't need to go and rewrite anything. You don't need to go and research anything. It all comes automatically with the product. Variance is kind of more specific. Let's say you had something like different colors. Maybe this came in green and black and white, and you can choose options. These products, they don't have variance here. But you can imagine selling a t-shirt, right? You might have it in small or medium or large, right? You'd be able to have each variant there listed. But really kind of what everyone is most interested in, we have our pricing. And you see we have our shipping cost over here. This product has free shipping, so does this one as well. But you see it's going to come DHL, or in this case, USPS. So we can take a look at the product and our profit margin. And this is cool. The really cool thing about high-ticket products is, we could put only about a 25% margin here, but it's still $500. So we'll charge $19.99 over here. And for this dumbbell set, we'll charge $189. So we're making a $100 profit every time we sell this and $500 profit every time we sell that. List now. So what happens now? The products over here are being listed to your Shopify store. No copy and pasting, no creating a product in Shopify. All this is going to happen automatically. So you see, again, I said that 25% profit margin, but it's still $500 profit. So high ticket products, definitely the way to go if you can sell those. Both of these are pretty high ticket. So these products are going to be available literally inside of my Shopify store. So I'll just show you them once they're created. And here it is. This is the 25-pound adjustable dumbbell. In my store, just like any other product, right? See the price that we set. You see all the images getting sent over automatically. You see that product description that came in automatic as well. I didn't need to do anything here. This literally just happened in just a couple clicks using the Doba app. And again, we're going to make a $100 profit every single time we sell this product. So really, really easy to create, in this case, a gym bodybuilding fitness store with Doba Dropshipping. So that was Doba. Literally can build your dream drop shipping business. All you need to do is just follow along with what I showed you there. Get some great products in your store. Add them. Everything's automated. Literally no upfront costs. You don't have to buy any minimums or anything like that. That's why drop shipping with Doba so powerful. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment underneath this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. Otherwise, I hope you build that massive dropshipping business with Doba. I hope you make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.